Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the beignet mix from Cafe Du Monde and also making a really good cup of Cafe Au Lait to go with it. So now you're going to start by taking 1 cup of the mix, and I'm using 1 cup because I only want a dozen donuts. And then I'm going to take a bowl and make a well in the middle as you would do for most types of dough. To start making our dough, we're going to measure out 3.5 fluid ounces of water and then add that into our well. Now I'm going to slowly add my mix into the water from the inside out until it is fully combined. The dough ended up being very sticky, so I had to add about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to make it usable, and then I floured my surface and my rolling pin and rolled it out to about 1/8 inch in thickness. After your dough has been rolled out, cut it into a rectangle and then cut them into 2.5 inch squares. When it's time to fry your donuts, put your square into the frying pan. Then let it sit in the oil for 8 to 10 seconds and see if it has popped to the surface. Then you can do them a little more until they're golden brown. Now take a brown bag and put all of the French donuts inside. Now we're gonna add confectioner's sugar to the brown bag. I prefer to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons, but it really just depends on how much you'd like. Make sure to shake your bag enough that all of your donuts are covered in powdered sugar. No donut is good without a cup of coffee. To a 1/2 cup of milk, add any sort of flavoring you'd like. I prefer chocolate syrup. Now shake this mixture until it doubles in size. After heating up your foamed milk mixture, pour out the milk. Then leave the foam for afterwards. To a cup of normal coffee, add in the milk. Then use the foam and start going on top to create a layer of foam. These French donuts were really good. I'd give them an 8 out of 10. I have to say, the coffee was really good with it. I'll leave a link for the mix down in the description below. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe and turn on the post notifications for more videos like this. And comment down below if there's anything you'd like me to review.